Strengthening to integrate the Tarot Emperor's energy through the Yuen method. This is the fourth major arcana of the Tarot. It represents stability, leadership, structure, and wise, authoritative decision-making. We strengthen these energies to integrate them, helping you feel secure and capable. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before moving to the next arcana. Let's start by strengthening your perception of authority in your life. We'll erase debilitating memories of trauma caused by authority figures. We erase influences from your father, grandparents, teachers, and other authorities. We erase fears, punishments, and severity to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. I empower you to lead your life, make confident decisions, and use your power wisely. Let's remove any weakness preventing this energy from fully manifesting in you. We eliminate fears, doubts, and insecurities. We remove collective weaknesses towards authority. I strengthen your connection between energy and the concept of authority. Let's erase past experiences of submission or control by tyrannical authority figures. We'll eliminate fear of judgment, criticism, demands, or others' disapproval. We erase energy of resistance, rejection, or conflict with external authority. Strengthen to ensure you can assume your own power without resistance. We fortify your spine and nervous system to support your energy with stability. Let's align your body, mind, and spirit to work together with structure and order. We erase weaknesses related to disorder, procrastination, or lack of focus. We boost your ability to organize ideas, projects, and actions clearly and efficiently. We strengthen your leadership energy. We increase confidence in your decisions and actions. I'll erase weaknesses tied to indecision, insecurity, or fear of mistakes. I remove memories of past wrong decisions and related emotions. We enhance your ability to assess situations and make aligned decisions. I connect you to the energy of your leader ancestors in various roles. We strengthen your link to their talents, skills, and missions. I boost your connection to energies from your past lives and experiences. I empower you with balance, stability, justice, and humility at your core. I boost your personal power to express itself evenly, avoiding pride or submission. I clear negative energy from past experiences, ancestral and collective memories. I remove the urge to control others and the tendency to let others control you. I reinforce balance in giving, receiving, speaking, listening, leading, and allowing. I strengthen the equilibrium between learning and teaching. I'll clear away any feelings of weakness or powerlessness, empowering you to manifest personal power harmoniously. I'm strengthening your awareness of abundance and success, boosting your ability to manifest prosperity and success, aligning your actions with abundance and prosperity, removing limiting beliefs about lack and unworthiness. I'll erase negative thoughts, both internal and external, connecting you to infinite abundance and success in life. Strengthening your connection to your life purpose, empowering you to lead a life with direction and meaning, sharpening your intuition to pursue your purpose boldly, powerfully removing confusion, doubt, insecurity, distraction, or fear that might derail you. Strengthening your emotional and mental balance and stability. Eliminating debilitating emotions like anger, fear, frustration, or anxiety. Clearing your mind of negative, repetitive, or limiting thoughts. Enhancing your connection to calmness, peace, and clarity. Aligning your mind and emotions with the Emperor's leadership and authority. Integrating this Arcanum's energies into every quantum particle, atom, cell, and molecule. Strengthening these energies in mind, body, and spirit for synchronous work. Anchoring the Emperor's energy within your energetic field. Powerful to ensure it shows in every decision, action, and thought you make. We'll reinforce the idea that from today, you take charge of your life with power, confidence, and clarity. Strong to integrate the Emperor's energies into your own domain. I strengthen your balance between masculine and feminine aspects, and I boost your masculine side for leadership, discipline, and control. I reinforce your routines to bring stability and order. Powerful to create and maintain a safe, structured environment. Strong to be the protector who leads firmly yet fairly and kindly. Powerful to be a natural leader, making tough choices while keeping order and efficiency. Strong to guide others with confidence, determination, and inspiration. Powerful so your days are filled with strength, clarity, and determination. We strengthen internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and all geometric vertices to 100% infinite potential, constantly within finite time. We'll erase all weaknesses and obstacles, removing anything that limits or hinders progress to zero minus infinity, constantly within finite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. Notice how you feel now. Let these energies manifest positively in your life, strengthening every aspect of your existence. Be confident that by embracing the Emperor's energy, your leadership, stability, and personal power will grow daily.